off the inside, Ponderosa Biggs. Ready, racing. Arms fold back, Ponderosa Biggs off the inside. The first one to show speed and go straight to the front. Going to second was Playboy President. Caught out a little bit wide there, was Born in a Storm as they roll towards the first turn. It's being followed by Is I Out, who's going to get leaders back. And they're being followed there by Turum Lad on the improved Franco Salisbury out 3 wide. Going back was Big on Bling and Perfect Sign back at the tail. So Born in a Storm pressed on and got to the front. The first quarter running 29 seconds flat, and it's Born in a Storm who's the leader. Franco Salisbury continued that move from the back and now goes up to have a dip for the lead. Leaders back, Ponderosa Biggs. It's being followed there by President Playboy, and 3 back along the inside came Is I Out. They're being followed 3 back in the running line by Turum Lad. Over on the inside, Perfect Sign. And last of all, as they work out of the straight, was Big on Bling. So they work towards the 800 metre turn out of the straight, and it's Franco Salisbury who pushed on to get to the front. Second quarter in 31 and 4. They really backed it off in that second quarter. Franco Salisbury the leader. Leaders back was Born in a Storm. Going up to sit outside the leader now was President Playboy. They're being followed 3 back along the insides by Ponderosa Biggs, and in the 1-1 there came Turum Lad. They're being followed 3 back along the inside by Is I Out, racing with Big on Bling, and Perfect Sign was last. Down the back straight, Franco Salisbury the leader as they work towards the 400 metre market, led by a length. Edging a little bit closer there was Playboy President, and the third quarter was running 30 and 3. Over on the inside, they're being followed by Ponderosa Biggs. Playboy President dropped out. Born in a Storm's got right up behind the leader. Franco Salisbury into the straight from Born in a Storm. They straighten well clear of the others. Franco Salisbury, Born in a Storm comes off it back. Then came along the inside Ponderosa Biggs. It's Franco Salisbury from Born in a Storm. Franco Salisbury, Born in a Storm. Franco held on to beat Born in a Storm, and Ponderosa Biggs on the insides run third. They're being followed by Playboy President. From in behind those came Turum Lad. Further back, Big on Bling, Is I Out, and Perfect Sign was last. And the mile rate was 1:58 and 7, and the final quarter was 28 seconds flat. So Franco Salisbury falls in to win number 8. 8 the winner, defeats 6. Born in a Storm, and number 1 Ponderosa Biggs has run third. 8, 6 and 1 will be the numbers after race number 2 here at Newcastle. Franco Salisbury, Mark Callaghan the trainer driver, with a 5-year-old by Liz Mara. Start number 54 this afternoon. That's win number 6. Had been placed on 17 other occasions. Second goes to number 6, Born in a Storm. Josh Osborne, Brad Miles at Maitland, with a 7-year-old by Falcon Sealster. Start number 119 this evening. Has won 8 races. Now that's 24 seconds and 19 thirds. Very consistent. Third goes to number 1, Ponderosa Biggs. Luke Barry and Anthony Priestley, with a 4-year-old by Mr. Big. Start number 23 this afternoon. 1 win now, 5 minor placings. Fourth goes to number 3, Big on Bling. Mitchell Reese, Rebecca Brown. Fifth goes to number 7. That being Turum Lad, Maddie Young and Greg Coney. 1:58 and 7 was the mile rate. Ahead by 4.5 metres. Ahead by 4.5 metres were the margins, and we're just going to wait for the all clear to come through after race number 2. There goes the all clear after race number 2. All clear after race number 2. 8, 6, 1 and 3.